So we found a way to qualify leads for cleaning businesses, and I've been helping a handful of them for the last 2 years now, and it's been amazing. I want to share this because the problem with most of these businesses are they're not able to get in their touch with their leads within a few minutes. So I'm always about trying to solve problems. We run good ads, advertising on Google, Facebook, but then the business doesn't connect with them like within minutes or right away, whether it's the VA, the sales rep. And there's a study, it says that according to several studies, a significant portion of leads, they fall off if not contacted within minutes, with some research suggesting that up to 80% of potential customers may be lost if you don't respond to a lead within 5 minutes, meaning a large majority of leads could be lost if not responded to promptly. So the issue was not that we weren't getting qualified leads to businesses. The issue was the business wouldn't be able to reach out with them within minutes, okay, within the time that they need. Because what ends up happening if someone's looking for a cleaning service and you don't answer as the business, what are they going to do? They're going to end up going to another business. They're going to go Google and search another one of your competitors. And this has been the issue. So the business, a lot of the cleaning businesses that we help, they close around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So what if the lead comes at 6, 7, 8, and your competitor is open? Or there's another service that is open, or there's another service that is responding to them the moment they put their inquiry. Let's say they put 3 inquiries, 3 different forms they fill out, and one of those businesses reach out and starts having a convo with you. Well, that's what we did. We used a booking bot, which is AI, just how sophisticated AI is today. And what we ended up doing, again, this was the old method where it was paid advertising website form to the cleaning biz where they get the notification. Now, the moment they fill out the website form, we have a bot that texts them back and forth and books them onto a calendar. So this was the old method where it's like a Google advertisement that goes to your website, fills out the form, and then the cleaning business gets a notification, says, hey, reach out to this lead. Today, we're able to get a booking bot to come in and text, and it sounds like a real human over text, which is so sophisticated when it comes to this software. So here's an example of what would happen and how we set this up for you. So this is just a simple way of how we use it. The moment the lead comes in, the bot will text them. So I initiated it here. It'll text them. It says, hey, are you interested in getting a free quote for house cleaning? Yes, I am. Great. Could we schedule a phone appointment to finalize your quote? Our next availability are this time. Does this slot work for you? I put in 10 a.m. and then it says, perfect. Here's the information. And I was testing this real time. So I can like talk to this bot real time and kind of show you guys this is a text message. So the moment a lead comes from Google, they go to the website page, the landing page. They land on that page. That's why it's called a landing page. And then they fill out the form. The moment they fill out the form, this could be after hours. The bot comes in, starts asking questions. They go back and forth. They book a qualified lead after hours. So by the time your sales rep, VA, office admin, whoever's available as soon as they get in, there's a designated time that the lead is available to talk so that they can get a quote and get qualified to be able to close and book a clean. So this is the qualification and that nurture sequence is there's a bot, which is an AI tool that is used to interact with the client to qualify them as a lead. So now that you saw that, here's some real life case studies of what just happened with our clients. So total 8 booked appointments from the calls. 182 biweekly, 260 deep clean, 310 deep clean, 220 move-in clean, 160 move-in clean, 182. One was price shopping and one quote set. So this was 8 total booked appointments that our bot did. And this is actually within this last 2 weeks that I'm sharing this. This is what happened in the weeks of February. And then what's interesting is like this person, Denise, they came on the Saturday. And then we had this person, Jason and Cindy, that came from Sunday. So imagine these cleaning businesses, they're not even open Saturday, Sunday. So what ends up happening is they fill out the form from the Google ad that they saw, the ads they saw that came to the website form, and then they end up filling it out. We text them as the business, all automation, and the business owner has no idea. Then it gets them booked onto this calendar. So your sales rep or the VA, on Monday, they have a call. Tuesday, they have a call. Wednesday. So we're just booking this based on, again, qualified leads. And they're closing this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are all qualified appointments. Okay. These are leads that might have fell off because they came in from the weekend and they were able to book through the week. So this is what we do. I mean, we have clients that do, we ran Google Ads for a client 7 days. They closed $1,100 clean, $1,200 recurring on only $400 ad spend. And this is only 1 week. So this is stuff that we do for clients. This was in January, that first week we onboarded them. We use Go High Level to be able to show the opportunity values, how much they get, to track everything all the way from when the lead comes all the way to the middle of the funnel. And then we have more. Your service has made running my cleaning company so much easier. More results for Google Ads from clients. This week only, they have 2 full cleaners and a full schedule with the system. So again, our stuff works. We have people that you'll see this on Tuesday, March 4th is when we get this notification of they got booked in on March 5th, right? So it came in and within minutes, this person, so 141, but let me show you guys this. And I know I'm kind of going pretty quick just because like this works, okay? And this is a Facebook window lead. So this is another client, but I'm just showing you guys the bot that works for a lot of local service businesses. This was 137. They put an inquiry to a Facebook form, and then 4 minutes later, right, they get a booking, and this was Tuesday, okay? Tuesday, 1:41 p.m., and then they book for the next day at 9 a.m., March 5th. So, and then this is that close for that client, Paul, that did it. So when I was helping cleaning businesses, there's a lot of problems. And most agencies, most marketing companies, they only just work on like, let's just run your Google ads, let's run your Facebook ads. They don't think about the CRM. They don't think about the middle of the funnel. They don't think about the conversions at the end, training the VAs. So most cleaning businesses, their problem is organizing leads, nurture sequences, which is the CRM, client relationship management, sales training, cleaner tech hiring systems, onboarding systems, training, qualified leads, systems to connect, which is the CRM that connects to scheduling. So these are just problems that I see in a cleaning business. I just solved one, which was the CRM. And then we started helping them with ads, getting more leads. And then we started helping them with kind of like a lot of the back-end systems and just seeing how to qualify a lot of your leads to make sure that they're getting reached out to. This video you guys are watching here was the problem. They did not reach out to leads right away within minutes, and they fell off. We were doing our part, optimizing our ads, but they weren't able to qualify them and get them into the pipeline right away. So what ends up happening is once they go in, you'll get this pipeline. So this is a tracker for Go High Level, where the moment they send in their quote, this is RC Test. This lead ends up getting a text message from us, which is our bot, and then you also get notified as the cleaning business that a lead came, and then you reach out to them, send them a quote sent follow-up 1, follow-up 2, follow-up 3. So it's this organized lead tracker that does automations every time it moves. And the moment we put this RC Test into quote sent, it'll automatically move within 20 days. Boom, boom. It'll move every day, every other day based on the nurture, and just follow up with them on automation. So, text messages, emails. So, and I'll put that video if you guys want to see that on just like me walking through the Go High Level snapshot. So what's the system? It's a lead generation. Advertising, we capture it, we notify the business, and then we follow up with the lead, the ideal client, okay? So what we end up doing is we have the Google Ads lead gen. We put our lead nurture CRM sequence here that converts them, and then we have software solutions that helps track this all on the back end. And there's a few different software stacks that we do, but I've seen cleaning businesses, they're spending $400, $500, $800 a month on a software stack, which today you can dramatically decrease that. So I like to also save money for the biz. So here's how we help. We deliver you customers. Our process is we show ads on Facebook and Google. We capture name, email, phone number, deliver that data directly to the cleaning business's cell phone and email, their support email, so then they see every lead that comes in. And then there's automations that we use to follow up to keep the leads nurtured long term. So the old method, which I was showing you guys above, was Google Ad, Facebook retargeting to a form page, to a thank you page, and then it's up to the cleaning business to reach out. Now we have phases in phase 1, 2, 3 of SMS, email follow-ups that books a call with them so that they can go ahead and get more information and then send them a quote and hopefully book the client. So we have this whole back-end system dialed in. So now the new system is an ad to your website form, to our CRM, that allows an AI SMS bot to go back and forth to book you into a calendar. So we never lose leads even after hours and on weekends when you're closed, if you're closed on weekends. And again, the problem is most businesses are not able to get in touch with their leads within a few minutes. So according to several studies, and significant portions of leads, they fall off, if they're not contacted within minutes, and with some research suggesting that up to 80% potentially customers may be lost if you don't respond within 5 minutes. So yeah, businesses are losing a lot of leads. And if you guys don't know, I've been documenting this journey. I have another main channel that I document this whole journey, and I just really want to help local businesses with AI software automations, and that's really the mission. So questions, let me know. If you guys want us to set up like a bot for you, we already have that all set up, dialed in. It's an easy setup. So let us know. You can email us, or you can click on the links below to just go ahead and fill out that survey, that information application form. And if you're a right fit, you have questions, you'll get our emails and you can email us back. Look forward to working with you. If you guys enjoy this, tap in. I'm putting a lot of content out, just sharing with you guys the processes that are actually working in this era, this marketplace for local businesses. Take care. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.